once we are done with solving all the centers, this one, all the centers are done. After this, the next step is to make pairs of all the edges like this. This one is a pair, and let's see if I have any other pair. I don't have any other pair. So just like this white one, we have to make edge pairs like this. So all the edges should be a matching pair. So if it is green and orange, so it should be green and orange. This is called a pair. So now how to do it? We'll start from one side, keep the white side on bottom. You can keep any side on bottom, but we are starting with white. So keep the white side on bottom, and I will try to solve all the edge pieces in these two horizontal layers. Only in these two horizontal layers. So what does that mean? So if this is white and red, I will try to bring the other white and red piece on this side. So both same edge pieces, same colored edge pieces should be in front and on the opposite side. First is here, I want to bring the next one, next white and red one on this side. So let's find where's the next white and red one. So one is here. So I will bring it here. So one is here. I want to bring the next one in this side. So how to bring it? Bring it here, or you can keep it in front like this. So to bring any of the layer at this place, you can do like this: R, U prime and R prime. So now I got this white and red here and this white and red here. And now I want to match it. I want to match it without mixing these centers. So how to do it? I can directly match it like this. So these two pieces are matching now, and take these two pieces, matched pieces, on the top layer. On the top layer, and with this I also want to do one thing. I will bring these matching pieces on top layer and bring any unsolved pieces, unsolved means unmatched edge pairs, in this layer. So I will take this on top layer and bring the unsolved or unmatched edge pieces in the middle layer. So what I am trying to do is, I am trying to make a pair and send it on the top side, top or bottom, because the middle layer I will use it for solving it. So but I have moved these layers like this in the last step and then matched it. So I will bring it back also like this, so that our already made centers should not get unsolved. See, all the centers are still the same and I have matched a pair. Now I will match the other pair also. Now try to find any color edge piece. So if this is white and orange, find where is the other white and orange. This is white and orange. It is here. This is here. This is here. So one way of solving it, take it to the other side, or take this piece to the back. Back means it has come here. So from here it has gone to this place on the back, and then I can easily match it. See it again. It was like this. One is here and one is here. So one is here and one is here. I can bring them together like this, match it, and take it on top layer and bring any unsolved edge pieces on this layer, and then again take it back. because I don't want to mix the already made centers. So I have this one matched pair now, this one matched pair now. Now let's find any other. So we can start with any one. So this is yellow and green. So let's find where's the other yellow and green. So in my case it's here right now, yellow and green. So again I can directly match it like this and take it on top layer. In the top layer also try to find so we will replace it now. We will take it on top and replace it with something else, some other unmatched piece. So one thing you need to remember is don't replace it with any matched piece. So only replace it with any unmatched piece. This is an unmatched piece. I will take it on top, this unmatched piece, and take this piece on bottom on this layer. Now again I will take these layers back because in the last step I did it like this so that the center pieces are not unsolved. So now I have one, this is matching edge piece, matching edge piece, matching edge piece, and matching edge piece. So all these are white now, so I can take all these white one to bottom on the white side to make a white cross. So like this, one is done. This is red, so let's take it on top of red and move it on the bottom. So the second one is done. This one is green, so you can do it like this. So I have red, green, and orange. These three are done. The fourth one is blue, so I can take it on the bottom layer like this, bottom. So this white cross or white plus shape we have now. So now the white side is done. I will match the other pieces, other edge pieces now. So start from any piece. So let's say if this is, this is blue and yellow. Find the other blue and yellow if it is on the middle two layers or not. So it's not on the middle layer. So see if there are any two same colored pieces on the middle layer or not. Any two. Yeah, there is no other matching piece color. So this one is there. I have this green and red and this green and red. So I can match it like this again. Similar green and red, green and red. So match it like this. Take it on top layer and bring any unmatched edge piece on the bottom. Bottom means this side. And again take this back. This is green and red. So again this was green, again take it back. So you always remember the center should not get unsolved. So we will take it on top, bring an unmatched piece on the sides, and then bring these bars back. So now again this is blue and red. Let's see if there's any blue and red in this. Yeah, this is blue and red, and the other one is blue and red. It is here. So I can bring these blue and red piece in the same layer also like this, but it might unsolve this already made white. So that's okay for some time. If these two layers are coming on the same layer like this. Now how to solve these layers? So these two pieces are on the same layer. Okay, this is orange and blue. No, this is red and blue. So find the red and blue. Yeah, this is red and blue. Okay, it's on the bottom. So if these two pieces are on different layer, you can easily match it like this. And again take it on top layer and replace it with any unmatched edge piece pair. I will take it on top, R, U prime, R prime, and again take it back like this so that the center should not get unsolved. Now let's see if there's any other unmatched edge piece pair. Yeah, this is. And always try to bring all the matched edge piece pair on the top layer and replace it with any unmatched edge piece pair. This is I'm taking on top and bringing this one on the bottom, on the side. Yeah, this side. So on the top I'd have all the edge pieces which are matching. This one is matching, this one is matching. On the bottom all the edge pieces are a pair. Okay, so now see, in this layer, now in the middle layers, this one is yellow and red. Let's find another yellow and red. It's there. So if it is on the same layer, now if I try to match it like this by taking it on the back side and then matching it like this, I won't be able to take it on the top layer because the top layer is already full. All the edge pieces are matching. So in this case, what to do? When these two pieces are on the same layer, do this. Bring it like this and do R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. And after doing this, see that red and yellow are matching now. Similarly, I will try to match. So once the last 2 or 3 edge piece pairs are left which are not solved, then we'll use this algorithm. You can use this algorithm before also, but earlier it was easy to solve without using any algorithm, but in the last case I cannot do it simply by just matching it and take it on top layer because there is no unmatched piece left in the edges. So now how much this one is done, this one is not done, this one is done, this one is not done. So again bring the two unsolved or unmatched edge pieces together. So see, this time this have yellow and orange, this is yellow and orange, orange and green, and orange and green. So when the two pieces, same pieces are on the same layer, then do this. So I'm trying to solve this one. Let's say this one yellow and orange. So when these two pieces are on the same layer, then try to bring the other piece like this. When these two pieces are on the same layer, then try to bring this piece on this piece like this. So it was like this, yellow orange, orange yellow. Now bring it on top of this like this and then do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime and R. And now solve the centers first and then see all the centers, all the edge pieces are now matching. this one, this one, this one, this one. All the edge pieces are now matching. So the only thing you need to remember is solve it simply till the last two edge pieces, and in the last two edge pieces you can do this move R U R prime, F R prime, F prime R, and that will solve all the edge pieces. Thank you.